Hello, welcome back to my channel Vansh Works. This is Vansh and I am here on 5th day too. This is Sunday and I didn't do much work because it's a rainy season and I don't like, but I have done revisions. Revision of MIT lecture second, that's about static arrays, sequence and dynamic arrays linked list. Actually, I do know Python, but don't know about linked list and these things. So I have to learn these things. And because I am interested in CPP, so that's why I have to do linked list in C++ too. Because I am interested, and I will took 2 hours to solve some problems and learn basics about linked list. So I discover a new thing in a program, MIT program, that one thing is a course lecture, then a course note, lecture notes. Then the main thing come recitation note. I don't know how to speak this. I will post some screenshot here. There are lot of things there. I know some things like there are many definitions that are go through deeply, very deeply, and because of them, definitions and many practical knowledges, I have to know many more things in this course. So I am directly jumping into problem solving session, but then I know about these another notes type. So I checked them out and find out many things. There are some exercises and I have to do that exercises because I found them interesting and not solvable by myself. So I have to do that because if anything that doesn't shoot me, it will shoot me. So this is for today, and I done some college things because my exams are on the way. It will be on 15th of March, so I have to prepare for exams too. So this knowledge, I have to say, explore more in anything. Explore more, like go into deep. How can you find many more things? If you can find many more things, you can have larger knowledge than anyone. You have then wider expects. One person who solves 10 question, second person who solves 10 question. If a one person solve 5 variety of questions and a one person solve one variety questions but 9 for practice. So in 11th question, first person having 5 ways of thinking. He have 5 perspective. But for a second person, he's only having a one perspective that a one variety question is solved. So start thinking about another perspective, another varieties. So you can think much broader. I have to do these things too, and I am doing. But I am a newbie too, so I will be doing these things currently, and I gain some beautiful results by these things. Because of consistency, you will get many things. I will say many things again, because consistency gives you a higher than anyone. So that's enough for today, I think. I know I didn't do much things on these 2 days, I know very well, but I will try. Next week will be my beast week actually. So thanks for watching. This is Vansh Codework signing off. Jai Hind.